All right, traders. I am doing a trades recap today. Today is my first red day. Um, First red day. Really tough market today, honestly. I didn't expect this type of price action. Even I kind of um, thought of all possibilities where we're heading and how we're heading to where we're heading, right? So let's look at market. Let's look at different indices. SPY. So pre-market we had kind of a gap up, and then news came out. Indices, CPI number came out negative, right? Very often news already priced in the market in the stocks. So, and I do pay attention to that, but with a grain of salt because, like I said, it's already priced in. What else? We are kind of extended, guys. We kind of extended, right? But what else you see here that we are on a very strong uptrend. This uptrend, guys. Uh, every single bonds get bought. Now we're bouncing up 20 EMA here, and the pullback would be healthy, right? So we're having sell-off pre-market, and then at the open, kind of a grind, which I didn't expect. Even I planned for this, so I was planning for potential pop to some of these levels and short from there. Um, I did try shorting right at the open, and end up actually losing some money. So Qs, same idea. We were talking about fake breakout, potential fake breakout. This was like a hell of a big move, guys. I was honestly expecting breakout to this area and kind of fade from this area, but eventually we had a way bigger move, extended move. Who's calling me? And it led in a pretty much elevator down. So IBM was pretty much weak all day, and being 2% down. Pretty good move on IBM, but still inside this range. So volatility didn't even spike. End of the day, we had a little bit of spike. So going over my trades, today was like shitty day, red day. So I overtraded a little bit and end up actually taking some stupid losses. I shouldn't take it. So I'll go one by one. SPLK. From my homework, I had this for a window breakdown. Like I said, the stock made a move. There is a possibility for this stock to bounce of this area, but for my criteria, once we clear the key level, I can start playing the breakout or breakdown. So that's why I shorted right at the open, as you can see. Once we clear this dash line, I have it, and this yellow line, it's a prior day closing price. This red line is a prior day low. So once we clear, I'm short. Stop, always first 30 minutes, this is a 5-minute chart. Stop goes high or low of the day. Well, guess what? I got squeezed. Didn't work. So that's fine. This is my playbook. As long as you guys doing the same thing all over again, over and over again, and you know your statistics, it should work. So the next trade was CRM. Same type of idea, right? We had a move on CRM. There's a key level here, 241.63. So I was looking for the breakdown after the red day yesterday. A little bit anticipated the move here. 5-minute candle was red, and then this was at the time pretty red, right, with the weak upside. Squeezed pretty quick. As you can see, the stock eventually ended up being down. It still looks weak, but it's not set up yet. Sometimes this type of playbooks, it takes 2 days, 3 days to set up, sometimes even a week. The idea is still there. All right, so I end up actually losing here again, half the day stop. What else? So let me show you. I think Oracle. Oracle was similar idea. Oracle, it's an overextended short. Overextended short idea. As you can see, we have a level. This was a level right here. Y range bar, establishing level. After that, we're doing a pullback, breaking out higher. So now we're establishing this level, high of this candle, right? Let me go in a 5 minute. On this day, we're trying to clear this area, but we cannot sustain over that area. So pre-market, we started kind of to gap down. I was expecting, like I said, wash out at the open, but also Oracle could pop, and we had this pop. I got squeezed. Then later, I kind of did this tiny bit of a scalping for the key level breakdown, which didn't go anywhere. Pins. Oh, pins today. The price action on pins, guys. If you ever traded pins, I don't know what's going on with that ticker. It trades like garbage. I have no idea what's wrong with that one. Anyway, had a breakdown. Idea worked out, as you can see. It ended up closing pretty low. Pop shorted on a pop right here. Stop was prior day closing price, and I got squeezed really hard squeeze. Just today like this, shorts getting squeezed. They building position, I guess. This was a scalp. So kind of attempts. All right, so the next trade, Tesla. I tried to play a long bounce on Tesla after the 5 minutes doji candle. The problem here on Tesla, I was focusing, I think, mainly on 1 minute chart. It's not super extended, right? When the price is not super extended, the reversals don't usually happen like we usually see the sharp reversals, right? Look at this daily candle, completely engulfed. Really tough. So actually was selling after hours. Wow, it's crazy. So Tesla played out clean level here. As you can see, this dash line, I put it 678.34. So end of the day, you could short it here and you would be really in a really good position. Risking above this area. Let's look at the price action. As you can see, touching penny to the penny and then trying to pop, and then volume coming in, confirming selling here. What else I did today? Oracle. Yeah, I already talked about Oracle. JP Morgan. Dude, this is just today like my setup for the breakout. Let me go in 5 minutes. None of my setups work today. Some reason. So we have a level here. JP Morgan financials been strong, right? 157 is the breakout level we initially kind of cleared. Today was the second day. I understand the pullback, and possibly they want to do the same type of a setup, pull back and build a position, right? So we had initial kind of dump pre-market and then free white 5 minute candles. And I was saying in a group, oh man, this is like a good breakout, but extended a little bit on a 5, you want to see the pullback. So on a 1 minute chart, we had a little bit of consolidation right here. Wide range bar, and I was expecting a sharper pullback, sharper move, right? To this line, being my stop is right here. More of a scalp, right? Stepper. So this step was building, but then cracked completely, and the trade just collapsed. Really tough. I'm not a big fan of trading financials, honestly. All right, then Disney. Disney was the boy. Really good trading today on Disney. I'll show you. All right, so Disney, second day play idea after the wide range bar. Double bottom here. It's established double bottom at the low here. You can put a trend line like that, and it was breaking a trend line. So let me draw for you. This thing gonna work. Here you go, works now. So we had a pivot point. You actually can do like this. These pivot points connect with each other. And I enter literally on a breakout, the curl after double bottom confirmed. You see it even pull back, gave a better entry right here. partial the prior pivot points, then prior high, and just didn't wait. This was kind of like, this was crazy. It had a gap down like in this 1 minute candle. It was just no orders there, but eventually squeezed higher. Let's see how it ended. All right. Oh, later I took a level. This is a very nice scalp too. Simple key levels, guys. You have a key level right here, high of the day, right? The prior day yellow line. This is the prior day closing price right there. As you can see, we played out well this level right here. We kind of stopped around this area. We bounced on this area and broke from here. So, and I was waiting. I'll show you 1 minute chart. On 1 minute, it was really, really good right here. So we touched to the penny. Let me move a little bit here so you see the volume. There you go. So we had a little bit extended volume on a high, right? So volume dropping, volume increasing, and then candle under candle short, stop right there, partial. I could wait a little longer and take it, but this was free R, guys. This was even like with a tiny risk. My risk was 20 bucks, guys, made 60 bucks, right? And this time I was just like, okay, I just gotta take a smaller risk, 20 bucks risk instead of, getting myself out of the hole compared to like getting back in a deeper hole. So, and yeah, Disney ended up actually helping a lot. And what else? Apple, lastly. It's another good quality scalp. I did miss this move. I was talking, but I was gone to the store. I tried shorting right here, right? So this is the prior day high, the red line, prior day high. We came to this area and start doing some wigs upside. This is my playbook, not super extended from VWAP, but hey, we kind of extended on daily, and it's worth sometimes trying type of these setups for multiple times until they work. It didn't work. I got out pretty much break even there, and then you guys get lucky, get caught this dump. This was a beautiful short from this area, breakdown below VWAP. I would short on this red candle, stop right there or right there, and look at this. So, but I came home, I'm like, oh man, this looks good. I think I came home around this area, so I saw this, like, wow, this is beautiful. As you can see, attempt to break down below these two levels. I have it. I missed this one because it was so fast, and then get out, break even, unfortunately, on 1/3 of my position. Yeah, end up being kind of red on a day. That's the way it is. Overall happy with results, recovering back some losses. We'll see tomorrow what's gonna happen. I'll build my watch list today for tomorrow for both long and short ideas. So stay tuned, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Take care.